Hello, everybody. It's Friday again. Yay. Okay. I hope you had an amazing week. Let's kick off your weekend even better. We're going to share with you fun facts about our two favorite oils. They're always our favorite, patchouli and cypress. So I'm going to dive in right to patchouli because this is the oil that started it all for me personally way back in the day. This oil does two things. It helps wrinkles and blemishes, like skin imperfections, while also providing a grounding balance effect on emotions. This is why I kind of was very drawn to patchouli, was for that benefit. It's a bushy herb from mint family with stems reaching 2 to 3 feet in height with a small pink white flowers. That sounds really lovely. So fun fact, patchouli is regularly used in the perfume industry, as well as in scented products like laundry detergents and air fresheners. That I did not know. The plant is steam distilled. So yeah, let me share with you. I used to buy, like most holistic natural solutions that people are looking for, at Sprouts. I got this at Sprouts. It's patchouli, and on the bottle it says 100% pure essential oil. Now I can say that, but doesn't necessarily mean it is, because on the side it says I can't take it internally. So that tells me right off the bat it's not 100% pure essential oil, and I probably just paid $20 for 12 drops, which isn't very cost efficient. I've had this bottle for 3 years now, and I've got like that much in it. And then I bought this 3 years ago, and I have this much in it. So I can take this internally because it's passed the GRAS test, generally recognized as safe. It has a supplement fact. So I tried one time the liquid Xanax recipe, and patchouli is part of that recipe. And I have to say, I was cool as a cucumber in the middle of LA traffic. In fact, I was so cool, I was like, screw this, I'm going home. So I did. And I was like totally chill and calm throughout the whole process, because normally I would have been laying on the horn, yelling at people. It just would not have been a pretty picture. So Chris, tell us some fun facts about cypress, please.
Cypress is a really interesting oil. It comes from Morocco, Spain, and Kenya. Um, the gosh darn. Sorry, my biggest thing is I have some friends that are using it for me, and that just comes first and foremost to my brain. They're long distance runners, and I kept hearing how cypress helps with the muscles and stuff, and so I had them actually put it on their legs before they ran, and they said it really did. They felt made a difference. So now I'm not a long distance runner, but that was just a really cool thing that I found out. So I have like 3 different people that have tried it, and one pedals, she's a bike, but everybody else was running. And so that was a really, really cool fact. Um, so cypress is steam distilled. It's got that clean, fresh, woody scent. And this comes from the branch and the leaf of the tree. So what's really cool about this, and I have a page here because I want to make sure I did sell this right. doTERRA gets its oil from Kenya for this, and it's over the past 60 years, Kenya lost 60% of its forests cover. And so while these millions of acres have just been cut down, the Kenya Forest Service has started replanting all these trees. Now it takes 10 to 20 years for a cypress tree to mature. And they used to have to wait that 10 to 20 years and cut it down and use the lumber and everything. Well, now with doTERRA helping to the co-impact sourcing, these people can use the plants and leaves and keep it because the tree has to grow straight and of course find to get good lumber out of it. So with them doing the pruning and everything on the trees and using those leaves for the oils, they're able to make money off of these trees for the 10 to 20 years they're growing them, not just the end game. So they're now able to earn money all the time instead of just waiting for that 20 years till they can harvest the full tree. So I thought that was really, really cool. And they are making a big comeback. So there's a lot more trees back in Kenya now, thanks that doTERRA is assisting.
Very cool. Awesome. I love it. I've used cypress as my nightly routine. to help with incontinence. I found that cypress and ylang ylang help relieve that. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of cypress right now. All right, so yeah, we'd love. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, I forgot to tell you the couple other things it says, because I get
Go
wound
ahead.
up in the whole running thing when I get people trying things. So
Yeah.
cool.
Go.
Circulation, so that's probably along with the running, and then bladder, urinary tract infection stuff can support
Yes.
with that.
Mm-hmm.
Bone spurs, that's another thing. So my athletes and stuff apply directly on the affected area. Concussion, they're saying it can assist with support with concussion, restless leg syndrome, as well as the bedwetting. So just a lot of things. Cypress kind of covers a lot of areas. So I just wanted to make sure we get that news out there.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so you guys, please share with us your favorite ways of using cypress and patchouli. We'd love to hear from that. All right, you guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you next Friday for more fun facts. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Be well.